Hello everyone, it's Osue La Maravilla, and today I'm going to do the unboxing of the Gucci Blake t-shirt. So, this is a box. I have to cut it out. Let's see what's inside here. So here's the Gucci logo, a bunch of people. Oh wow, all this boxing for just this. What's this envelope? Oh, that's if I want to send in the back. If I don't like the t-shirt or something, I can send the back. That's pretty cool. I'll just send this. Yeah, that's if you want to make returns. That's cool. And let's take this bag. Oh, it's pretty cool. Wow, it's a big bag. I expected it much smaller, but it's a really nice bag. Wow, it comes nice and tight too. Let's see. Wow, very professionally wrapped up. Let's see what's inside here. Oh, very nice wrapped up. Wow. Wow, it's a nice shirt. Let's see, let's take a look at it, open it. Ooh-wee. Let's look at it. It's super nice. This is Gucci, red and green, traditional Gucci shirt, t-shirt. Here's a tag. This shirt was $510 after taxes, so very nice shirt, can't complain. It's a little pricey, but I cannot complain at all. Alright, you have watched the unboxing of the Gucci Blake t-shirt. See you until next time.